Hey guys, it's Vanity, and today I have a makeup tutorial using the LA Girl Nudes makeup palette. I'm going to start by going into this white color with a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. This is going to provide a nice and smooth base, a very plain base, because I want to have a very soft glam. Now I'm just going to apply it on the other side. Now I'm going to go into that light pink color that is right next to the white with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to apply it all over the lid and the corners of the lid and the crease of the lid, and I'm just going to do that in circular motions. I'm not going to apply it on the inner corner of my eye because I want the white to show and create the illusion of two colors. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I'm going to use this flat eyeshadow brush to apply it. Now I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes to cover up any dark circles. And I'm going to blend it out with that same beauty sponge. I'm going to use this Airspun setting powder in the color Translucent. I'm just going to apply it with a disposable sponge right where I put my concealer. And I'm going to allow this to sit for at least a minute or two. Now I'm going to remove any excess with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Contour Kit, and I'm going to use this flat brush to apply the contour color. I went in with that light brown color, and I'm just going to apply it right in the middle of my cheek. And on my forehead, and this is a great way to add some color into your face. I'm going to use this fluffy brush in order to blend that out. Now I'm going to use my Clinique Chubby Stick as a blush, and I'm just going to apply it all over the apples of my cheek. And I'm going to use this disposable sponge to blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with my Wetnwild highlighter, and I'm just going to apply that right above my blush. Now I'm going to do that on the other side. On my nose, on my cupid's bow, and also on my chin. And I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild berry looking lipstick. All the name of the products used in this video will be in the description box. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.